In today's video, we're going to go over key aspects of how Metrofuser extends the life of their fusers. I tell any printer service company or reseller looking to qualify a printer fuser supplier that they should do more than just ask for the QC process. They should test the fusers for themselves. I find it incredible that something is so critical to a company's business profitability plan, as fusers and maintenance kits are often taken as a commodity, that sometimes they don't require the same due diligence as if they were looking at software, hardware, or other office products. HP printer replacement parts vary greatly from one supplier to another, and you shouldn't take our word for it. Test them for yourselves. The fuser is the heart and engine of the modern printer. Now let's remember, these modern laser printers are operating between 40 and 60 pages per minute, with duty cycles up to 250,000 pages per month. The heat, friction, and pressure are pushing these fusers to their very limits. In this video, we will take a deep dive into how our fusers are different and how we achieve a 2.7% warranty rate. We'll also show you how we are able to push many of our fusers to a 500,000 or 1,000,000 page life. Now, to make that possible, Metrofuser had to engineer a series of upgrades that we will cover a few of them today. Starting with the pre-production fuser core selection. Remanufactured fusers are only as good as the platform that they're built on. We perform an analysis of the core prior to its remanufacturing, and we outright reject many cores just because they fall out of spec. Next, we'll take a look at the gear posts and welds that are on the core. Frames are checked for alignment. OEM fasteners and fixtures are married throughout the entire production process. And only components that pass our dimensional and functional tests go back into the remanufacturing process. Moving on to replacement parts. We'll start off with the lower pressure roller. As you can see, we use a liquid injected molded roller, and this assures jam-free simplex and duplex printing. And we've tested these rollers across various media types, and they're exceptional. Now, as far as lower pressure roller bushings go, we use a Teflon unfused bushing, and then we jacket it again with another layer of Teflon prior to its installation, and this adds another layer of protection. Now, one of the most important components to the printer's fuser is the fuser film sleeve. There are over 20 inherent properties in a fuser film sleeve, such as specific gravity, temperature index, melting point, and too many to mention. All of them directly affect image quality and durability. In fact, fuser film sleeves are so critical, we've invested hundreds of hours working with the Rutgers School of Engineering to benchmark OEM films, and so we've isolated the correct parameters just prior to selecting our current manufacturer. Exploring the fixing film assembly further, we partnered with a specialty chemical manufacturer, and we wanted to develop a formulation that, with the goal of tuning the compound to make it last longer and perform better. And coming in at 50 cents per gram, the final formulation that we're using is quite unique. It is outstanding heat transfer and protects the film and extends the life of the fuser. Now, just as important as the grease formulation is how it's applied. Now, while other manufacturers have switched to an automated dispensing system that lay down a thin bead across the heating element, we utilized hand placement. This allows our technicians to direct the coating into the various hot points on the cradle. And this has shown us better image quality, durability, heat transfer for the mobility of the sleeve. Moving on to the ceramic heating element, to address 50 service errors caused by poor connections to the ceramic heating element, our fusers are Z-tied to the ceramic heating element to the connector. And this reduces the likelihood of any type of arcing. In addition to that, Metrofuser utilizes a proprietary heat treatment process on the ceramic heating element. Now, this improves heat transfer consistency and image quality. This process also allows the fuser to be more forgiving when it's used with the ever-increasing varied toner particulate found in the aftermarket. Our engineers worked with a chemical manufacturer in the development of ThermoSeal. Now, this is an adhesive for heating elements. It's a fast-acting permanent bonding agent that's reduced the occurrence of 50 service errors caused by arcing heating elements. Taking this a step further, we engineered a line of fusers where the fuser is fine-tuned to match an aftermarket toner's chemistry and specific heating requirements. This alignment of chemistry and hardware has improved performance and reliability. Many toner manufacturers and large managed print service companies find these products invaluable as it allows them to capture the downstream market and control quality like never before. Finally, every part Metrofuser sells is extensively stress tested before it goes out the door. This includes a 150 to 250 page print test with various aftermarket toner options, along with BLI certified paper. Key products are power cycled multiple times. The inspection covers for toner density, consistent gradations, print defects, toner adhesion, and error codes. We hope you enjoyed this technical look at our HP fusers. We offer step-by-step instructional videos on fuser, transfer belt, and maintenance kit installation at metrofuser.com. YouTube users can visit our channel and please like and subscribe to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.